Are you ready for a small story? A cobra story, which was a real story which happened during the British rule of India. Now, why I'm telling you this story? Watch the video till the end. You will know why I'm telling you this story. It's a real story. And the story is called as COBRA EFFECT. If you Google it, you will know what is this COBRA EFFECT. Once it so happened when the British were ruling our country, in and around Delhi, there were a lot of cobra snakes. Suddenly there were a lot of snakes, and it appeared in all the houses, in every place, and people started panicking, and there were a lot of cobra bites and people were dying of that. The government had to intervene because it was a big problem. And then the government thought of a very unique plan, a very innovative plan, and announced to the community in the city people, anybody who is going to kill one cobra and get it to the office will get one silver coin. Now this had the effect. People started searching for cobras, getting them to the office, killing them and getting them to the office, and they were earning one silver coin. So to some extent the government were able to control the snakes in the city because people were active, because it was an earning for them. But you know what happened? There are some people who are very entrepreneurs. They started thinking differently, think differently outside the box. And they started breeding snakes. They did not want to catch it. They said, we will start breeding the snakes. And then we'll go and give 1 or 2 snakes every day to the government, and it's a perennial income. Every day we go and give and we get money. This started happening. Many people started making this as a business of getting snakes, putting it one place, breeding them, multiplying them. It's like, you have the sheeps, 100 sheeps, and every day you go and give 2 sheeps and sell them. So something like that they started doing. Now this effect had a bigger effect on the government. Now the government came to know about this, and they said, no, we are not going to give that 1 silver coin for every cobra which you bring. They said the scheme is over. We have stopped the scheme. Now you remember, understand what happened. All those people who had the cobras with them, they didn't know what to do. They didn't want to simply raise it for nothing, and they just left them like that back into the city or the forest or wherever they could. So once again the cobra multiplied, and the city had a lot of cobras back in the city. And this is called COBRA effect. If you Google, you will know about this, more about this, which happened during the British rule in India. Every idea which you get right now, because right now we are going through a COVID situation where everybody is trying to think differently. It's a good thing. We need to do that. Any idea which comes, whatever you think you will do in a business or something, you have to make it go through this COBRA effect filter and see what are the implications, how it is going to affect you. So the COBRA effect, which the government thought was a good scheme, boomeranged back, and the good intentions of solving the problem became a problem itself. So just keep in the mind. I just wanted to share with you this wonderful story of COBRA effect. Any good thing you want to do, think through this COBRA effect. Understand all the implications and then try to implement, and then the solution should be great. That's it. COBRA effect. Google it for more information. Thank you.